Good morning, ma'am.
Class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Everybody open your cameras. Hurry up, all of you.
Ma'am, my camera is open.
Very nice, very good. What about Anna, Dhruv, Arsh? Three of you. Okay, still students are joining.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Good morning. Everybody, please open your camera so that we can begin the class. Hurry up. Now, children, last week what we did exercise. I explained you the exercise given on page number 20, chapter 1, isn't it? Open up your books to page number 20 because you didn't do it nicely last week. We are again going to do the same exercise today.
Ma'am, I don't have book.
Ma'am, I don't have book.
Ma'am, please send the
Don't
PDF.
have
I
to
don't have
class.
book.
Beta, please learn to keep the PDF safe. Last week also I gave you the PDF. Just check in your class group. Check the class groups, everyone. See the PDF, please, in the class group. I am also having a look. Anybody found it out? Nobody could find it.
Ma'am, I have found it.
Okay, beta, then send it on the class group.
Ma'am, 431.
Because I cannot find it anywhere. Okay, sent it. Anybody has sent the PDF?
Ma'am, I have sent it in 8th A.
8A, all right. 8A, the PDF is there with beta, but this is solved now. Okay, I will just send, give me 1 minute. I'll just send these exercises. You need the chapter also, children? Those who don't have the book, tell me. You need the chapter also? Yes
Good
or
morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes? Then say yes. Why are you all sleeping? You need the chapter. Say, ma'am, we don't have the chapter. We need it as well. All right, class 8B students, please check your class group. And class 8 students, 8A. Now you also check. The entire PDF is there. Next class, you will not ask me for the PDF. Please send these PDFs on any number, either your father's number or your mother's number, anywhere to keep them safe with you for the next class. It takes a lot of time, children, to share these PDFs. And all of you now open your cameras so that we can begin the class. Coming on to page number 20. Now everybody open up page number 20. What we have to do here, what is the question, Manhir Kaur? Ransher, read the question, beta. Ransher,
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
open your camera.
20. Ma'am, Rapalons.
Yes, Rapulon.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, read. Ransher, what is wrong? No answer, huh? Nothing. Manheer Kaur, open your camera.
Ma'am, what do we have to read?
Beta, this exercise, what you are supposed to do in the exercise, just read out the question. Read out the question of the first question that is given in the first
Ma'am,
exercise.
I can.
Yes, Anav Gangwar, read.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, college lab parties do cops they edit utilize less autocollants.
Beta, on which page are you reading? I told you to open up page number 20. The first question on page number 20.
Page number 20 is not in PDF.
Yes, ma'am. There is only 21, and ma'am, that I have read.
There is 21 only.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. 18, 19. Oh God, 20. Oof. Confusing. Okay, I'm sending you this page number separately on the class group. All of you please see from there. Eighth A students, can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Now 8B, check your class group also. Now what is the question? The question is complétez en utilisant les pronoms sujets. What does the question mean? Complétez en utilisant. Complete by using. Complétez en utilisant. Which means complete by using. Now, what are we using? We are using les pronoms sujets. Complete by using the subject pronouns. Is that clear? Now, what we have to do, we have to complete these sentences according to the subject pronouns. Now, how will we come to know the subject pronouns? Okay, if I say, suppose I say, you have to put subject pronoun here. I am, sorry, dash am a teacher. Dash am a teacher. What are you going to put in this blank? Everybody tell me.
I.
How did you decide? How did you decide that this blank will have I? You made it out from am. You could figure it out from the next verb that is used. I am a teacher. Now, instead of am, if I put dash is a teacher, what will you put in the blank?
Ma'am, she is a teacher.
She or he. Anything can come. Why? Because we saw the next verb. Now, similarly, what we have to do is in these sentences also, we have to put subject pronouns. Now, what is the list of subject pronouns? There are 6 subject pronouns we all have studied. Je, tu, il is treated as one because he is, she is. We can use both with verbs like this. Then we have nous, vous, and il and elle plural forms. Is that clear? This is the list of our subject pronouns. Now let us see what is the first sentence. The first sentence is dash parlons français dash speak French. Now what will we put in the blank? How will we come to know? How will we try to figure it out? By this verb. Now, what is the conjugation used here? They have used ONS because this is the radical. This remains same with all subject pronouns. What changes is the last. The infinitive part changes. So we have ONS here. Now, if we go back to the working of any verb, where do we put ONS? In which case do we put ONS? ONS comes with which subject pronoun? Tell me. We have learned ER ending verbs, right? Last week also I told you to revise the verb parler. How does this parler verb work? E, ES, E. You remember? E, ES, E, ONS, EZ and ENT. It works like this. What happens is the radical of any verb remains the same. So it becomes PAL, PARL again, PARL again, PARL again. Now we have parlons. What does parlons come with? ONS किसके साथ लगता है? कौन से subject pronoun के साथ ONS लगता है?
No.
Yes, it comes with nous. Who is saying here? Who is saying here? Nous parlons français. That's the correct subject pronoun. Children, to do this kind of an exercise, you need to have a good hold, a good command on verbs, on the working of the verbs. Only then you will be able to do these kind of exercises. So let's just revise ER ending verbs for the last time. All you have to remember is the sequence of subject pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle. Everybody speak. Je, tu, il, elle.
Je, tu, il, elle.
Everybody. Dhruv, Tanmay, Aradhe, Dak, Shikhar, Ransher, all of you. Everybody speak. Je, tu, il, elle. Nous, vous, il, elle. Okay?
Nous, vous, elle.
Now that is the sequence of subject pronouns. These are what? All of you know these are subject pronouns. Right? This is the sequence. They have to be learnt in this sequence only. Now when we talk about ER ending verbs, there are three groups of verbs. First, we learn the ER ending verbs. How do these verbs work? These verbs also work in a particular pattern. The pattern is with here we put E in the end. With you we put ES. With il we put E. With nous we put ONS. With who we put EZ. And with ILS, ELS we put ENT in the end. And the radical of the verb never changes. Suppose the verb is parler. Parler. So parl is the radical. It is the fixed thing. It never changes. What changes? The ending. The end changes. E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Is that clear? Everybody speak the working of ER ending verbs. E, ES, E.
E, ES, E.
ONS, EZ, ENT.
ONS, EZ, ENT.
Yes. Now ONS will come with what? No. If I ask you ES, ES will come with what? Tu. ENT. If suppose we see ENT at the end of any verb, it will come with which subject pronoun? ILS, ELL, ES. Is that clear? Okay. Let me give you a verb for example. Suppose the verb is chante. Now, which subject pronoun will come here? Dash
Ma'am,
chante bien. Dash sing well. What will come? Somebody gave the correct answer. Very
Who.
nice. It will be who. Why? Because EZ comes with who only. Very good. Now, next sentence. Suppose I say, dash parle français. What will come here? I will look at what? I will look at ENT. ENT comes with which subject pronoun?
Ma'am, else.
Very good.
Is
Very nice. I can either put ILS or I can put ELLES. Okay. Dash HABITS. Dash Abid Delhi. Dash live in Delhi. Now, what is the ending? Wonderful, wonderful. Now, is this clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, one more example, one last example, children. Okay, see. TS. The last word is TS. Dash M le chocolat. Dash. Yes, very good. Either now see children, what is the ending? E here. E comes in two cases. ES, E. Right? It comes twice. It can come two times. It can either come with here or it can come with il and L. Isn't it? Show me a thumbs up if you say, if you agree, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, E can come in two cases. So either I can put je here, but how will I put je? I will not write JE. I will write J apostrophe. Why? Because here it's a vowel. We don't put two vowels together. If we have je, what do we put? Either I can put J apostrophe or I will put, let's say, il or L. I can put anything. She loves chocolates. I love chocolates. He loves chocolates. Is it clear? Now,
Yes.
now will you
Yes,
be able to do this exercise, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, wonderful. I'm giving you 5 minutes till then for your help. I'm going to write another verbs also. Why? Because this was just a practice done of ER ending verbs. There are other verbs also used that we learnt in the previous class. Which are those verbs? Avoir, être, and aller. These are three verbs which have altogether a different working. They are irregular verbs. They do not work according to ER ending pattern. They have their own individual working. Is it clear? Just try to do this exercise. I will write the table. I will complete this table and put my camera on.
Ma'am, I have arranged for books, but ma'am, seller has said it no books of French are available. So please send me the PDF of UT, ma'am, of the chapter which are coming in UT.
This is the only chapter coming in the UT beta. I have sent it today. Now keep it safe with you.
Okay.
Children, these two verbs, I have written the complete table for your reference to solve this exercise. Clear? Done the exercise? Children, have you
I'm
done
doing.
this exercise?
Ma'am, doing.
Okay, tell me, are you being able to do it?
And we have to do only the first question.
Have you done the first question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss it now. All of you, please open your cameras. Hurry up. Open your cameras. The first question is dash parlons français. What is the answer? Dash parlons
No.
français. No. The first one is no. Second, dash habite à Lyon.
Ma'am, ja.
Je. Very nice. It can either be je or it can be il. Il, el. Any of the three. Je, il, el. Then third one. Dash aime les fruits.
Ma'am, tu.
Few. Why? Because the
Few.
ending is es. Okay? The ending is es. That is why we can have few here. Then the fourth one. Now, what is the fourth
Ja.
one? AI. Very good. Dash have
Ja.
two brothers. So, it will be J.
Ja.
Why? J apostrophe. AI comes with J. I have two brothers. Then, fifth one, dash un chien. O-N-T. What does
Il.
O-N-T come for?
Il.
Come with? ILS
ILS.
or ELLES.
ILS.
Elles ont or ils sont un chien. They have a dog. ILS or ELLES. Then dash parler français.
Vous.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
Vous.
Very good.
Vous.
It will be VOUS. Vous. Then the next one, dash s'appelle Isabelle. Now again, see here.
Q.
Now it is little tricky. We have appel. S'appelle. APPELLE. Right? The ending is simple E. What is the ending? Simple E. Right? But what they have put? They have put S apostrophe. So, what did I tell you? We can put E either with je or with il. But here, can we put je? Je s'appelle. Is it je s'appelle, Neha? Is it je s'appelle, Neha? Have I taught you this? No. What
No,
is
ma'am.
it? It's je m'appelle Neha. How do you tell your name? Je m'appelle. Isn't it? So we will not have je
ma'am.
here. What we are going to have? We will have, what are we going to have? The name is
Ma'am,
Isabel. Isabel. Now, Isabel is a female name or a male name?
Ma'am, female.
Female. So for female, what will I put? I will put L.
E-double-L-E.
Very good. Elsapel, Isabel. Is that correct? Understood? Then the 8th one.
Yes, ma'am.
Dash travail bien. Now travail has ENT in the end. So what will be the answer? It has
Ma'am, else or
Very
else.
good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
L or L.
Very nice. It will be either ILS or ELLES. Then dash sont in the end. SONT. SONT comes with which subject pronoun?
ILS.
Very good.
Ma'am, IL.
Now see, you are saying ILS. Okay, you are very close to it, but your answer still is wrong. Why? Because now look at the word in the end. In the N is given double NES. So that means the nationality is given in feminine gender. So we can't put
E-double-L-E-S.
Yes, ILS is wrong. The correct is ELLES. Beta, we have to take care of these little things as well. Okay, while doing these kind of questions, we have to put all our lights on of all around, all four sides. Then the last one, dash chante une chanson. Now chante comes from which verb first of all? It comes from the verb chanter. Chanter means to sing. It is again what? ER ending verb, and the ending is given in E. So we have how many options to put before it? How many options for subject pronouns?
Ma'am,
When it-
3.
Three.
We
Three.
can either put je, il or L. Okay, 3 of them would be correct here because I sing a song or he or she sings a song. Is this exercise clear to all of you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Now moving on to the next one. The next exercise, let's move on to the next one. Coller les parties du corps de Adit utilisant les autocollants. Now, what you have to do? Partie du corps. What do you mean by the word partie du corps? Partie du corps means body parts. What does it mean? Write it down. Everyone just write it down in your
Body
copies.
parts.
Now, coller. What do you mean by the word? Can I erase the board, children? Can I erase the board? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what do you mean by the word coller? Coller means to paste. Now, what you have to paste? You have to paste the body parts. What have they written? The Adit. The Adit here means of Adit. DE stands for of. Paste the body parts of Adit en utilisant les autocollants. By using. Utilisant means by using. Using what? The stickers. Now the stickers are given at the back of the page. What you have to do? You have to paste them in and show the body parts of Adit. Who is this boy? What is the name of this boy? What is the Adit? See, In the last page, on page number, okay, you don't have the book now, so you can't do it by sticking the pictures or sticking the stickers. What we will do is, you are just going to write it. Is it clear? Will you be able to write the body parts? Now this exercise, please take
Yes,
it
ma'am.
down as your homework. I want to see this homework next week from all of you. Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now coming on to the next exercise.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write the answers in the notebook because we
You
don't
can
have the
either
book.
write in the notebook or you can just, yes, you will write in the notebook only because you don't have the book. So you
Okay.
have to write the answers in the notebook. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, third one. Let me just read out the third one.
Students.
Yes.
And there are 4th B students.
Yes, there are 4th B students because I shared the link and they have started joining. Beta, your previous class got over 4th B students that you have started joining. Huh? Okay, be quiet. Just leave this meeting. I'll restart the meeting for 4th B. Now, 8th class students, please pay attention. Mettez les verbes au présent. What is mettez? Mettez means to put. What does mettez mean? M-E-T-T-E-Z. Now see, they have used EZ in the end. EZ, that means which subject pronoun is going to come? Vous.
Vous.
Now, exactly, they are instructing you because they are instructing all of you to put. That is why they have used this conjugation. Mettez, because they are instructing you to put. Now, what you have to put? The verbs in their present tense. Les verbes, the verbs au présent. Au présent means in present tense. Because we have now, right till now, we have learned only the present form of the verbs. Okay, the present tense. We have not come to the next part, that is the passé composé. This question means this. Now you are going to try to solve it on your own. Is that clear, 8th class students? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can